Now to Storm Team 44 meteorologist Tracy Felty. He's standing by with our first check of weather for the evening as temperatures begin to plummet in a major way.
Yeah, as I tried to say earlier, like I said, the biggest problem we're going to have is the drop in the temperature tonight and the wind chills. A little bit of snow out there in our area, not even really seeing it except it floating by occasionally. I did see a report up around Vincennes that some of the roads had a little bit of a dusting on them, but around here we're partly cloudy skies, around 25 degrees. Feels like 15, and that's only with a wind of around 10 miles an hour. 25 in Henderson as well as Owensboro. Carmi checking in now at 23 degrees and broadening out. You can see with the cold airs headed our direction. 17 Fairfield and Albany, 26 there in Clay, Kentucky. A little bit warm over in Calhoun at 29, but we're all headed down tonight, and we'll keep a little bit of cloudy skies with us, a little bit of snow flurries at times. Those wind speeds really picking up. You can see they're kind of calm down around Muhlenberg County, but over in Gallatin County, already up to around 16 miles an hour. You put that with the temperature, and your wind chills are going to be close to 0, and they're going to fall through the night. We made it to 30. We started out at 21. -8's the record. Don't think we'll get that, but we're going to feel like that. And here's the look at the radar. There's a little band of snow stretching from about Harrisburg, just into Carmi, all the way up towards Vincennes. A little bit of break here in the Evansville-Henderson area, and then another little patch, Tell City and Owensboro. These are very quick. It's very dry, not getting a lot of accumulation out of these. And basically, with the wind, it's going to actually blow itself around. So it does stretch back down towards Cape Girardeau, but there's not another big snow event behind it. Now, futurecast, we go through portions of Sunday night. We kind of break up the clouds, temperatures go down. Clouds come back later in the day on Sunday, and then the first chance of snow pops in here, and it's going to be down south. Biggest accumulations will be across western Kentucky, down around the Tennessee border. Seeing much snow in our area, not really in the forecast. We do have that potential down towards the south, though. Closer you get to Tennessee, the higher it is. And here's Monday afternoon, that second little round coming in. Much heavier snow. Now we're starting to pick up the area around Madisonville down to Calhoun and Calvert City. So those are the areas that are going to see a little bit of snow. We do have 1 or 2 little bands that come through the rest of the area late on Monday. Out of all of it, we might see an inch to less than an inch in some areas. Now, highs tomorrow, 8 degrees here in Evansville, around 12 down around Madisonville. Very, very cold down. I don't have much to say that much more. Tonight, we're going to drop down to around 3 with that wind chill -10 to -15. Those winds picking up to around 20 miles an hour. And if we look at the wind chill forecast and how we get there, the stronger the wind, the stronger the temperature. And here's what we're looking for tomorrow, starting around -10. We might get to around the 0 degree mark around 6 o'clock tomorrow evening. Tomorrow, 11 for a high here in the tri-state. Once again, here's our snowfall accumulations. Less than an inch, I-64 north, up to an inch possibly. This is the storm Monday into Tuesday, 1 to 3 further south. When we come back in a few minutes, I'll have your extended forecast, which shows another storm and a lot more colder conditions.